Cool. We're recording now. What's up, everybody? Back again on this channel. I'm going to do the exhaust on the 2008 YZ450 Special Edition. It's going to be a simple, quick video. We're just going to do a simple install. I'm pretty sure everybody knows how to do it. Maybe. But I'm going to just show you roughly how you make it, okay? So, I got a little bit excited for the new exhaust. I decided to open it up. You got a FMF. This is a nice exhaust for this quad. It's gonna sound way better than the one we got right now. I did open it up. I got too excited. I couldn't wait. Sorry, the camera's gonna be a little bit wiggly. Okay, FMN. Got the plug for the exhaust. There it is. Right there. Color almost looks the same as the quad. I like it. It's gonna come out pretty good. One bolt on kind of thing. Paper, instructions, and bolts, spark arrestor. We got stickers, spark arrestor. What else? That's about it. Quick. ¿Qué onda, Arturo? Go ahead and put the key if you want, but I'm gonna leave it like that right now. Give me some tools right now. So I could unbolt this bolt. Should have it like that. It's gonna be marked. Let me see.
Oh.
Yeah.
Most of the markings are gone.
Here.
Okay.
I could tell. That one's yours. That one's mine.
Alright.
Man, these guys really sticker bond this. Look at all that. Eesh. There's like 4 stickers here plus whatever you got there.
They gave us stickers. Alright, Ryan, you got the key for it.
Go ahead, give me the on my toolbox. I should have a set of tools, sockets, and everything. I think these springs are gonna be pain in the butt. Oh yeah, the springs are.
What do you need?
Yeah, you gotta open them up and all that stuff. Oh, it's gonna be fun. No, it should be. You gotta go down like 2 or 3 drawers, the longer drawers. No, up, right there.
Ah, okay. Definitely gonna need this. What else do you need?
That's it.
The sockets?
Yeah, because I just gotta take that bolt off. That's it. No, it's 12.
So damn windy.
I know. Yep. Can we just turn it on and see how it sounds like it like that?
First. Yeah.
Let me just warm it up.
Alright.
You can open up the fuel. Exhaust wants to stay. Sounds a little bit better. But it's going out.
If you want to,
Yeah, leave it on. haircut cut. You're looking like a normal chick.
Dude.
I don't like that. It looks like they just put a bowl, like, just like a bowl of cereal or something. Just
cereal?
Just put it on my hand and say, "Oh, it's your cut already."
That's good, dude.
Yeah, this is. Oh yeah, 2 springs. Oh.
Oh, I missed the third one. Oh, it was a little bit hot.
Oh yeah, no, because it doesn't seem like it's welded a bracket there.
Careful, this is a bit hot. You don't want to.
Nah, it's a little bit. It's not too crazy. But yeah, you got a warm exhaust. Almost done.
What happens if I just turn it on just now?
No, it's gonna be so freaking loud. The neighbors hate us so bad right now. Who needs instructions?
And you could just mock it.
I gotta go like this.
Sorry.
You're gonna need instructions.
Yes, dude. And then the instructions are right there on the paper.
Alright, you can cut the video for now. We're gonna figure this thing out. Alright, let's get going. We're gonna install this back again. We're gonna put the new pipe on it. We tried the one from the FMN. I think it's from a wrong bike, but we'll make it work. We're always gonna make things work. Go on the other side if you want. Alright. Let's just kind of rock it. Remember it was like that? Like that now?
Yeah, it was like that.
What was it?
Let's see, I'm gonna mock it. Grab the exhaust.
Me, I don't want to break. Maybe it goes like that.
And
No, that's why I gotta turn it. Oh, so we gotta. Let me see where it fits.
oh, I
There.
think that could work.
Yeah, just gotta see. I think it's there.
Yeah, I'm just thinking it's
Right
right,
there.
It's a bit too tight, but
No, it's fine.
okay. Well, that could work.
It's got to work. The
There.
thing is the springs though.
Yeah, springs will be interesting.
Okay, go ahead and pull it out.
Okay.
We'll see if we can put the springs on it right now. Easy, easy.
Yeah. And I'm putting the boys. There we go.
Okay. Goes like that. Ow. Oh, that's the way it goes.
Does it?
I think so. We'll do that and then
Thing is, does it have 2 or does it have 1? Oh, it has 2.
2. I think we'll make it work.
Okay. You trying to push it inward or what's up?
Yeah. We'll see if the springs will work. I don't like putting these springs. They suck. Oh.
Oh, it's a bit too loose.
Ooh, air horns, me sponsor.
Air horns sponsor us, please. So many damn air horns here, and there it goes again.
Hey, shorter ones. We'll
do,
use these.
do you hear that? Like a crowd out there.
Alright, celebrating someone's birthday.
Probably. Someone's having a birthday party out there. Dude, will that work?
Yep.
But it's still good, or?
Dude, I'm a genius. I'm like Rick Sanchez.
That's it, dude.
Look at that. Oh, shoot.
Oh, that's a bit too loose, Rick.
Shut up, Morty. Oh my god, I hate this. Okay. Oh, here goes our dog. That might maybe work. We'll find out when the pipe takes off.
Yeah, when the pipe decides to leave. pipe will say, "Okay, it's my time to go. Goodbye."
Goodbye, everybody. Whoever's watching this, you guys are not professionals. It's okay. Everybody's gonna learn.
It's okay. We try.
I know.
And then that's to be. Let's just add a bit.
40.
Stop.
Okay, fool, we get it. You're honking. Stop. I think we're in.
Yeah, it's good. It won't slip. Don't worry.
That's what they call it. Slip on exhaust and slip off. Well, we'll find out later if it comes off. Or do you think the springs have different like lengths to them?
Really?
I don't know.
Well, I don't know either, so probably
First time I
do.
ever put an exhaust on this thing. Oh, no.
Oh, that's not good.
That's so good.
It's just covers.
Alright. Goes again. Oh, that turns the whole exhaust.
This is different. It's been installed like that.
No.
Yes.
No. Okay, let's take the springs again. I think it should go like that. Because if we put it, what way you want to put it?
Oh, you know, like that.
Not gonna work.
No, that's
Oh my god.
not working. It's not working.
Oh, it's a lot in there. Alright. Okay, let's figure out how to put this pipe. Oh, should be. Okay, it needs to go like that. Okay, I'm gonna take it out the way it is.
Alright.
With these, put them right now.
Okay.
What happened to the bottom one?
What do you mean?
Yeah, yeah, the bottom spring.
Oh, where did it go?
Right there.
Okay.
Then
Where'd the bottom spring go?
we'll get it right now.
It fell? Oh, it fell. It fell down.
How's your?
Not good.
Why is it not? Why though?
This ain't it, Chief.
No, I can see that, Einstein. Alright, cut the video again. Let's do some more research. Alright, cool. We gotta go on, dude. It was kind of a little bit. I said it was gonna be so easy. 5-10 minutes. Don't ever say that. You're gonna jinx yourself pretty bad. Those we got it going already. Go ahead and start it up and see how it sounds.
Alright, I'm starting her up.
So next video, we're gonna be working on the Razor. Hopefully we get another exhaust. All right, thanks for tuning in. Go ahead and like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.